I'm unearthed. I'm studying. I've been studying for a year at the University of Basel, and this is my first week here.
Do you know what you might find?
Not at all. I don't have a metal detector, but apparently it's deep and in the middle, so I'm going down. Here we have found a piece of a Latin Iron Age belt chain. It's probably the end part, and here it goes on. There's still maybe parts of the chain in there. We don't exactly know. It's my third day and I've dug up so many cool things already. Too many digs, at many digs you have to work for a long time, to dig for a long time until you find like something that says something. Whereas here you get like, oh, Schleuterblei, this has been a place of battle, and it's, yeah, you get to hear the interpretation as you're working. That's pretty cool.